Good morning, students. In our last class, we have completed some part of the lesson National Movement in India, Partition and Independence 1939 to 1947. Today we are going to complete the remaining part of the lesson. So if you see in your textbook, under who will make the British quit India. So after the failure of the Cripps mission, Mahatma Gandhi decided to launch his third major movement against the British rule. This was the Quit India campaign. This campaign began in August 1942. Although Gandhi was sent to jail, other younger activists organized strikes and sub acts of sabotage all over the country. The young men and women left their colleges to go to jail in very large numbers. Socialist members of the Congress such as Jai Prakash Narayan were particularly active in the underground resistance movement. In several districts such as Satara in the west and Medinpur in the east, independent governments were declared. The British responded with a lot of force, yet it took them more than a year to suppress this rebellion. So what happened after the failure of the Cripps mission? What did Mahatma Gandhi do? He decided to launch his third major movement. Who? Mahatma Gandhi. So what is that major movement? He decided to launch his third major movement against whom? The British rule. And what was that third major movement? It was Quit India campaign. So this campaign began in August 1942. Though Gandhi was sent to jail, other younger activists organized strikes and acts of sabotage all over the country. And the young men and women, they left their colleges to go to jail in very large numbers. And also socialist members of the Congress such as Jai Prakash Narayan were particularly he was active in the underground resistance movement. Who? Jai Prakash Narayan. And in several districts also such as Satara in the west and Medinpur in the east, independent governments were declared, and also British also responded with a lot of force, and it took them more than a year to suppress this rebellion. So the Communist Party of India in the meanwhile decided to support the British war effort. It was alarmed at the attack on the Soviet Union by the Nazis. It realized the danger at a world level and called the war a people's war. On the contrary, Gandhi felt that Indians would be able to handle Japan on their own after the British leave India. So what happened here? The Communist Party of India in the meanwhile decided to support Communist Party of India decided to support the British war effort, and it alarmed at the attack on the Soviet Union by the Nazis, and it realized the danger at a world level, and that danger, by realizing that danger, it is called as the war. What war? The war, a people's war. So on the contrary, Gandhi felt that Indians would be able to handle Japan on their own after the British leave India. So when British people leave India, Gandhi thought that Indians can handle whom? Japan. So the initial victories of Japan against the Americans and Europeans created a strong impression on the people in India. Firstly, it seemed that European colonists would get defeated very soon. Secondly, Japan was an Asian country and could stand up against the European colonists. Indians felt that they too can stand up and fight against Britain uh, decisively. The myth that the British race was superior than others was destroyed in the minds of people. So, what happened? Initially, victories of Japan against America and Europe created a strong impression in the minds of the people of India. What firstly, it seemed that the European colonies would get defeated very soon. Secondly, what happened? Japan was an Asian country and it could stand up against the European colonies. And also, Indians felt that they too can stand up and fight against British decisively. So, the myth, what is that myth? Myth means belief. What is that? The British race was superior than others, was destroyed in the minds of people. Means before, people used to think that Britishers cannot be defeated by anyone, but that mindset was destroyed in the people. Subhash Chandra Bose wanted to take up the opportunity created by the difficulties of the British. He said that India's independence was of utmost importance and we should take the help of the Japanese to throw out the British. He went secretly to Germany and Japan and collected an army of Indian soldiers in 1942. So, what did Subhash Chandra Bose thought? Subhash Chandra Bose, he wanted to take up the opportunity created by the difficulties of the British, and he said that India's independence was the utmost importance, and for that he is telling that we should take the help of Japanese to throw out Britishers. So for that he went secretly to Japan and Germany and he collected an army of Indian soldiers in 1942. Who were these soldiers in the beginning? These Indian soldiers were in the British army. They had been captured by the Japanese when the British were defeated in Burma and Malaya. They were POW, means prisoners of war. Bose recreated them in his army, which he called the Indian National Army. Later, other Indians also joined the army, including many women. However, Gandhi did not agree with the plans of Bose. He felt that the Japanese cannot be liberators of India. But Subhash continued in his chosen path and led an army of Indian soldiers to fight along with the Imperial Army of Japan against the British for almost 3 years. So we have seen that Subhash Chandra Bose has, here we can see, collected an army of Indian soldiers. So who were these soldiers? Actually, they were in the beginning. These are Indian soldiers were in the British army. Though they are Indian soldiers, they were in British army. They had been, how they have taken to British army? They have been captured by the Japanese when the British was defeated in Burma and Malaya. So they were POWs, means prisoners of war. Who these soldiers were prisoners of war. So this Bose recruited them in his army. So Bose has recruited these POWs, means prisoners of war, in his army, and he called them as the Indian National Army. So later, along with those soldiers, another, means other Indians also joined the army, including many women. But Gandhi was not agree with the plans of Bose. So he felt that Japanese cannot choose, so sorry, cannot be the liberators of India. Who thought this? Gandhi thought that Japanese cannot be the liberators of India. But Subhash continued in his chosen path and led an army of Indian soldiers to fight along with the Imperial Army of Japan against the British for almost 3 years. How many years they were fighting against British? 3 years. Who were fighting? Imperial Army of Japan, and also the Indian soldiers were fighting against British for almost 3 years. So I think you have understood this lesson till here. If you have any doubts, you can message me. We'll be completing the remaining part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.